turn it off. This is Mercedes Benz 22 S580. Customer purchased this new tweeter. It's motorized. It also has ambient lights built into it, so it pops out the light behind. Let's see how it goes in. Okay, the first thing we're gonna do is we're gonna remove this little trim right here, this silver trim. There's a little cutout here. This comes off. Once you have this one out, there is a torque number 20 here. Then you slide this one this way, outer ways, and there should be two torque screw number 30. So first thing we're gonna do is we're gonna remove this. Once you have this one out like this, there is a torque screw right here. That's number 20. Next step is to this armrest in the door. You slide. That comes out like that. And we're going to unplug that blue plug. There's a little locking clip there. It's kind of tight. Okay, so you push this locking pin inward, pull, and it comes out. And next step is inside the torque number 30s. Okay, the next step, we're going to start from the bottom. There's a lot of clips, metal clips there. It's kind of tight. Always start it from the bottom side. And you just simply pry out. And the entire door panel comes out. Be careful, there's an ambient light on it. And a lot of cables attached to it, so be careful.
¿Arriba? ¿Arriba? No. ¿Arriba no sale? No, no sale. Oh. ¿Viste? Aquí estamos pariendo. No, aquí debe tener algo.
This probably have a metal clip there. Okay, there's a little trick to it. On this corner, don't pull forward. Rather, you pull this way away from it. See these clips right here? That's slid into here. So don't pull out this way. Rather, you slide out this way. So again, after you're removing 3 screws, start from the bottom panel. And once you have the old door panel out, on this corner to the right side, you're gonna slide out this way, and that unlocks it from here. This thing right here. You disconnect this. So this one, let me show you. So this one, it slides in like this. So you pull, lift, then unscrew, unhook. Same thing here. You just simply push the tabbies right here and disconnect all the plugs. And be sure to plug it in the same way you took it out. Put the door panel someplace safe. Okay. Now we are doing this. Okay. So we're gonna there is a locking clip here. We're gonna remove that. And then this. Okay, we don't have to take the whole thing out. Then we're gonna remove these clips. Push those clips and remove. Okay. And you disconnect the tweeter wires. Okay. No, venga.
Mételo.
Mételo.
No, pero hay que sacar este aquí también, creo.
Mételo.
Mételo, papi. ¿Papi? Mételo, papi. Oh, así va. No, aguanta. Solo así nomás. Así, por fuera. Por fuera. Así nomás. Así. Ahí, una abajo. Así va.
Is it in?
Yes. Una bien.
Be sure it's locked in place. And put the panel back in. Something is not right. It's got gap here. Yep.
¿No sacaste de la puerta? Ahí puede ser. Así. No.
Right, goes on the bottom side here. And this probably have a plug that goes
Ese,
to the factory one
ese
that we
que tú
unplugged.
en el original.
Factory tweeter plug plugs in there. Okay.
Works.
iPhone though. There's another module that plugs in there. Right. So let's just temporarily leave it there. We're gonna wire tie it to all this here. So hang on. Let me check to see if everything works. This ambient light works on here as well.
Disappearing. I'm in the city with a flag beginning thrown like it was past interference. Padlock around the building, crash pulling up.
Oh, this comes out. Ajá.
Yes.
No darías cuenta. No. Sale solito.
I'm prophetic. They only talk about it, how I get it. Only good for
No beautiful. That's it.
Right, so wire tied.
No need. It's
Be sure to wire tie all the harnesses and the modules so it doesn't rattle while you're driving.
Oye, pero aquí con nosotros, men. One from here. Another one. Okay. From here. This is black. This is blue. Another blue. White.
This is a speaker. This is the bottom white one that goes in there. Everything else is all plugged in the same way we took it out. Only difference is this is a T harness that plugs in here, and the tweeter wire we plug in from here to the aftermarket.
I think this we have to take it off.
Alright, so what we're going to do is we're going to take this thing out. It was difficult to slide back in. So we're going to take that out. And then we're going to put this back in here. that. And then you're gonna put it in. They're supposed to come out together along with the door panel, but in this case it didn't come out. Make sure you snap everything back in place. No special trick. That's it. Okay, let's put screws in here. Plug that blue plug on the armrest and slide inward. And we're going to put number 20 screw back in here.
I'm gon' tweet and I'm gon' fight facts.
Torx number 20 here. Once you pry this out, just comes off, and there's a Torx number 20 there. Then you slide this armrest out like that. Oh, kind of tight on this side. The other side it wasn't. Then you're gonna unplug that blue clip. Okay. There's a locking clip here. You push inward and it flies out. The Torx number 30 inside that hole.
Yes.
Once you remove those and start from the bottom, you're going to pry the entire door panel. On the passenger side, we did have some issue on this corner. There was a clip that didn't come out together along with the door panel. You're going to have to pry that out, put it back onto the door before you slide in. Tiny gap on the bottom side. You just pry the entire door panel out. Just wiggle a little bit, it comes out. Now, this is the corner that we were having issue with on the other side. That clip didn't come out. Let's get a panel popper. Hang on, let me see if I can help you. There's a clip here. This panel popper wouldn't release. You know what we do? Let's slide out this way. I don't know why, but this side we were having issue with the same thing. We gotta slide out. Maybe, hang on a second. Let me see if I can use this big pry bar. Okay. So this is what we were having issue with on the other side. So we end up slide this door panel out of the way and took this locking clip out from here and put it back on. But this side, I was able to use this big pry bar and we took it out. So disconnect all the harnesses. Believe it or not, that plug right on the body side of it, it has a color code. And this one, you just slide out, lift up, and disconnect. I'll show you what I'm talking about. Since there are so many different plugs here on this white module, I believe that controls the door locks and windows and stuff. Next to the plug, there's a black, blue, white. It's a dotted indication what plug goes where. So just in case you don't know what goes what, be sure to look for that colors on the white sticker right here. Out, L out. No. L out.
Pásame el panel, papi.
This.
Okay. Blue. Blue. Okay. White.
Okay.
This is black. Okay.
Okay. Pull that rod out of ways and go in.
So dude, he said he's coming tomorrow. You got the key on you?
I gotta line up this here. This has to go down a little.
Down?
Yeah. Right. Make sure everything is locked in. No.